If you love someone, aalamin mo ba yung goals and dreams niya? Gusto ba niyang binibigyan mo siya ng time? Gusto niya ba niyang binibigyan mo siya ng regalo? Right? Kung mahal mo yung ibang tao, you'll do that for them, why don't you do it for yourself? Nagigets? Sorry di po nahihiya, mga lalaki, kayo din nyo alam gusto nyo. So I'm gonna give you a 5-step process. This is very basic, and I think narinig nyo na to sa akin before. But I will shed more light around this topic because again, this is really important na maintindihan nyo. And maybe we can we can talk about questions later on. So, 5 steps. Okay? Number 1, especially around discipline, you have to have clarity. So, you have to understand that if you don't know what you want, here's the idea you've been hearing people talk about self-love. Yeah? Now, this means a lot of things. Hindi lang siya pagmamahal lang. I'm talking about, do you love yourself? Loving yourself means, if you love someone, aalamin mo ba yung goals and dreams niya? Aalamin mo yun? Right? Aalamin mo lahat ng wants niya. Gusto niya ba yung hinihipuan? O touch ba siya? Gusto ba niya yung lagi mo sinasabi, ang ganda mo, ang pogi mo, chup. Gusto ba niya binibigyan mo siya ng time? Gusto niya ba niyang binibigyan mo siya ng regalo? Right? Gusto mo bang, alam mo yun, you know exactly what they want, yeah? Knowing that, you know what they don't want. Para hindi mo na ulitin. Tama, mali. Right? Pag mahal mo yung tao, if they are facing challenges and struggles, and they are in pain, ano ginagawa mo? You will love them even more. Right? You will be compassionate. You will be kind. Ito pa malupit. Pag nandito sila, di ba lalo mo silang yayakapin? Kaya mo yan, okay lang yan. Now here's the idea. If you don't love si self, hindi mo alam gusto mo. So, yayakapin mo siya mamahalin mo kaya mo yan. But if you don't love self, hindi mo to alam, hindi mo alam wants mo. Di ba? Lalo na sa mga lalaki. Parang babae. Nagigets? Di ba, sorry di ba nahihiya, mga lalaki, kayo din nyo alam gusto nyo? Parang ano ka, chicks? Hindi, seriously, it's like, ano ba yung chicks? Pagtanong mo, saan tayo kakain? Hindi ko alam. Ikaw na bahala. Tara, burger tayo. Hindi, ayoko nun. Pasta. Ayoko din nun So, ano gusto mo? Nakakaasar, hindi. So imagine, how many believes in a powerful force called God? Hindi ko naniniwala kay Lord. So, hindi na naniniwala kay Lord. O, taas nyo kamay nyo. Raise the roof. Naniniwala tayo kay Lord. Okay. Who among you here believes in the law of attraction as well? So, connected yan. Pwedeng si Lord yung nagbibigay sa'yo. Right? So, think about it. Agree ka ba na alam ni Lord yung iniisip mo at nasa puso mo kahit di ka nagpe-pray? Yeah. So, if that's the case, ano sabihin ni Lord sa'yo? Ang gulo mo. Sabi mo gusto mong yumaman. Ngayon, iiyak ka. Ayoko na. Ang hirap po. Sabihin ni Lord, sabi mo gusto mong mamayat. So tinuro ko sa'yo kung paano kailangan mo mag-jogging. Ang hirap pala, Lord. But bottom line, self-love means self-respect. So if you love yourself, kung mahal mo yung ibang tao, you'll do that for them, why don't you do it for yourself? That's the idea of clarity.